We're going to do a very simple sum based on trigonometric ratios. Let's see the question first. It says sec theta is equal to 13 upon 12. Value of one trigonometric ratio is given. Calculate all other trigonometric ratios. That means we need to calculate the other 5 trigonometric ratios, right? Let's do that. It's very simple, like we have done sums till now, right? Very simple sum. Let's see first. So they say sec theta is equal to 13 by 12. So sec of an angle, we know it is nothing but, we have learned sec theta is equal to what? It is nothing but hypotenuse upon adjacent side, right? So sec theta is equal to hypotenuse is nothing but AC and adjacent side is AB. So we'll have it as AC upon AB. So we got the value of sec theta as AC upon AB, right? Let's keep it aside. And what is the value of sec theta given to us? The value of sec theta given to us is nothing but 13 upon 12, right? Let's say this is my equation number 1. And we already know that sec theta is equal to AC upon AB. Let this be your equation number 2. And you know what? The reason for this is nothing but by definition. Left hand sides are equal, so the right hand side has to be equal. So we get 13 upon 12 is equal to AC upon AB. That's the value which we get from 1 and 2, right? Does this mean that AC is 13 and AB is 12? No, these are only the ratios. So for that we need to take the common multiple. So let the common multiple be K. So from here we'll get AC is equal to 13K and we'll get the value of AB as 12K, right? Easy, simple. So here we have the value of AB as 12K and the value of AC as 13K, right? Where K is a positive number. Now we need to get all other trigonometric ratios, right? All other trigonometric ratios, that means we need to get the value of sine theta. What is sine theta? Sine theta is nothing but it is opposite side upon the hypotenuse. So it will be BC upon AC. And that means we got BC upon AC as the value of sine theta. Now the next one which we want, that is cos theta. Cos theta should be nothing but adjacent side upon hypotenuse. That means it is nothing but AB upon AC. So we got that as AB upon AC, simple, right? Same way now we want the value of tan theta, which is nothing but it is opposite side upon adjacent side. That means it will be BC upon AB. So we have tan theta as BC upon AB. Now the other one, it is nothing but cosec theta. We know it is nothing but hypotenuse upon opposite side, which will be AC upon BC. So we have the value of cosec theta. And then what is missing? The last one is cot theta. So cot theta is nothing but it is going to be adjacent side upon opposite side. So it will be AB upon BC, and that is what we have, right? So we have this. Now this is all we need to find. For finding this, we require the value of, right, BC, right? So we don't have the value of BC. So how do we find BC? Right, BC belongs to a triangle ABC and we know that triangle is a right angle triangle. That means how do we find BC? By Pythagoras theorem. Beautiful. So let's apply Pythagoras theorem here. So we'll get AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Let's use this now. Substitute the value which we know. Now we have the value of AC as 13K. So let's substitute that. So it will be 13K the whole square is equal to 12K the whole square plus BC square, right? 13 square is nothing but 169. So it will be 169K square and 12K square is nothing but we will get it as 144K square plus BC square remains as it is. Now 144K square shifts onto the left hand side. So we'll get that as 169K square minus 144K square is equal to BC square. And the answer there we get is BC square is equal to 25K square. That means now we take the square root. So we'll get the value of BC as nothing but it's very simple. We get the value of BC as 5K. Wasn't that easy? Simple. But the sum is not over. We got the value of BC as 5K. It's not done. Now we need to find the ratios. It's very easy now. So let's find the ratios now. Now find the ratios one by one. So now we'll write sine theta is equal to BC upon AC. That means it is 5K upon 13K. Right, K and K gets cancelled, so we got the value of sine theta as 5 by 13. Let's find the next one now, cos theta. So cos theta is equal to AB upon AC. That means it is 12K upon 13K, and K and K gets cancelled. We got the value of cos theta to be 12 by 13. Now the next one, we take the value of tan theta, which is BC upon AB. Substitute the value of BC, which is 5K, the value of AB, which is 12K. K and K gets cancelled. We get the value of tan theta is equal to 5 by 12. The next one, the value of cosec theta is nothing but it is going to be AC upon BC. That means it is 13K upon 5K. So here K and K gets cancelled. We get the value of cosec theta as 13 by 5. The value of cot theta is AB by BC. That means it is going to be 12K upon 5K. Again K and K gets cancelled. We get the value of cot theta is equal to 12 upon 5. Wasn't that easy? A very, very simple sum.